now I need to get some water going. But look at this water. You know, we got clean water coming out. Gravity just pulls the untreated water through the filter right here, fills up my water bottle. You just go like that, clamps it off. Only took about 60 seconds to fill up my bottle. That's good tasting water. Well, I think next on the agenda, I need to catch a fish. But I'll tell you what, it's cold. My fingers are a little bit numb. Whoa! Look at this. Nice little rainbow. He's a little small, but I hooked him kind of bad, so I